high-rise condo na walang down payment? You heard it right. Hi everyone, Emily Nivales here from Strikel Realty, ang mag-a-assist sa inyo to achieve your dream home here in Pasinaya Heights, Cabuyao, Laguna. For only 10,000 cash out, mapapasayo na ang ganito kagandang investment. Ito ay walang equity at walang down payment. And yes, for only 10,000 cash out, free na ang processing fee, water and Meralco installation. At ang good news, ito ay under Pag-ibig financing. Plus, may mga amenities na talaga magugustuhan ng buong pamilya tulad ng swimming pool, daycare center, clubhouse. Kaya, tara, invest na! Bye! God bless!